Welcome back to Elsisco TV. This is your favorite bearded chef Elsisco, and today we're making Jamaican rice and peas. So let's get right into the ingredients. We have our thyme, we have our long grain rice, we have our light red kidney beans, we have our complete seasoning, our coconut milk, our black pepper, garlic, pimento seeds, our scotch bonnet peppers, and our scallions. This recipe is going to be delicious, y'all. Let's get right into it. All right, first we're gonna start off by washing our light kidney beans. We want to rinse off some of the impurities, so get a nice rinse on there. Next, to our pot, we're gonna add 7 cups of water. Then we're gonna add our washed dry kidney beans to our pot, and we're just gonna turn that on high as we prepare our garlic here. So our garlic, if it's unpeeled, then you just have to smash it. If not, go ahead and peel your garlic, put it under a knife, put it on a spoon, put it under your hand, whatever works for you, and smash it. That should look something like that. Add our garlic to the pot, get your scallion. You can cut off the tips. If you want to grow your own scallion, you can plant those tips. Go ahead and beat the scallion, release some of that flavor. Add our scallion to the pot. Add a scotch bonnet pepper, our thyme, and our pimento seeds. So when it comes to a rolling boil, give it a nice little stir. And then we're gonna pour in our coconut milk. Once the coconut milk is in, just continue giving it a stir. But at this point, you should get a nice aroma from the pot. And this is gonna be the aroma that flavors your rice. So add some complete seasoning. Also add some black pepper. I'm not gonna add any salt. The complete season has enough sodium for me. So if you like, you can add salt to taste, but I'm just using black pepper and complete seasoning for this recipe. Next, we're gonna rinse our rice. I like to rinse my rice until the water becomes clear. I'm gonna rinse my rice about 4 times, and you're gonna see the difference from the water now to my last rinse. There's a technique to not pouring all the rice in the sink. Just be careful. And now our final rinse. So we're gonna cook our peas in our seasoned liquid for about 30 to 45 minutes, or depending on your stove, until the peas start getting tender, because that's when we wanna add our rice. So mine's not where I want it yet. Let it cook a little bit longer. As you can see, I have a rolling boil. I have it on high. I'm adding my rice. Stir my rice about 30 seconds to a minute on high, and then I'm gonna turn it down on simmer. First 1 or 2 minutes, I'm gonna have the lid, as you see it here, half on, half off. So after another 30 to 40 minutes, this is how my rice is looking. This smells so amazing right now. When you guys cook this at home, you're gonna get that nice aroma from the coconut milk and all the seasoning and vegetables. To go with my rice and peas, I made some jerk chicken thighs. You guys can also make rice and peas with pretty much anything. So give thanks, enjoy, catch you on the next video. Peace.